My workshop is about checking understanding in the EFL classroom, and by that I mean understanding of instructions, of the target language and task requirements. And the workshop is designed for new teachers, experienced teachers, teacher trainers and academic managers. The ability to check understanding is one of the most important teaching skills, especially in a multilingual classroom where we can't rely on translation. As teachers, we often forget how challenging language learning is, and we assume that the learners will understand our explanations. But then we set them a task, and when they start doing it, we realize that they're doing something completely different and not what we asked them to do. When the learners misunderstand the target language, it can lead to breakdowns in communication. And if the learners misunderstand the task, it can cost them points at high-stakes exams such as IELTS. My workshop is designed to encourage teachers to critically evaluate their classroom practices and try out new techniques to create better learning experience for their students. In my workshop, the teachers will be asked to choose problems related to checking understanding that they come across most often. They will then look at 12 techniques to check understanding and discuss whether they do or do not use those techniques in their own classroom and why. They will evaluate these techniques and decide whether they are suitable or not really suitable for their own teaching context. And after the workshop, I hope that the teachers are going to bring those techniques to their classrooms in order to take their classes to a whole new level.